Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Create a Pinterest business account and convert if you already have a profile. Choose a clear brand name and a professional profile photo for trust. Optimize your bio with niche keywords and add a clear affiliate disclosure sentence. Claim your website and enable rich pins to improve link visibility and clickability. Link your tracking domain and verify it in account settings to prevent mismatches. Plan to create an initial set of 50 pins over 3 months for consistent testing. Use vertical pins sized for mobile at a 16:9 or 3:4 ratio. Design striking visuals with readable fonts, high contrast, and product-focused images for immediate clarity. Write keyword-rich pin titles and descriptions with a clear call to action for higher saves and clicks. Include an affiliate disclosure sentence and a shortened tracking link on each pin to comply and track performance. Test multiple images and 2 description lengths to improve click-through rate. Monitor impressions, saves, link clicks, and conversion rate weekly to iterate on successful pins. Use a /B tests on images, titles, and descriptions, and keep a simple spreadsheet of results. Diversify across 3 to 5 boards and repin top performers every 7 to 14 days for continued reach. Reinforce your brand by linking to related blog posts or landing pages with email capture. Scale winning pins by creating lookalike audiences for promoted pins and allocating small budgets first. Reinvest a portion of profits into testing new creatives and niche keywords.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.